Good craftsmanship means well-finished, refined. It's almost like a different language.
People react to craftsmanship in an emotional way because it stirs something within them. You feel something, you feel an emotion when you can sense the human in it.
It all depends on the materials you use, the people you work with, and a lot of the times the clients as well.
We've taken the Lexus IS and converted it into a one-to-one cardboard model form of a real car through hand craftsmanship, turning mundane material to a beautiful sculpture. Craftsmanship can be something luxurious, but it can also be something very humble that is just made in a beautiful way.
Can you see like how there's these lines? It'd be nice to actually make the grain follow this diagonal. We've got three faces to work with. Obviously, if it was just a white sheet, it'll just be white throughout and you wouldn't have these three tones playing together. What I kind of envision is that once you're walking around the model, you kind of get this feel that, I guess, a feel of movement depending on the angle that you're looking at the car.
To play with the material and to offer different gradients and grain is what it's all about. To be able to cut all these sheets within a matter of weeks as opposed to probably a couple of years is revolutionary. We're able to take the CAD drawing that's used in production of the real car, slice it up and produce a carbon copy in cardboard.
This job for Lexus would never happen if it wasn't for technology, from CAD work to laser cutting, and then eventually the traditional approach, which is putting it all together, because there's no technology that can yet put things together the way we do as humans.
We've never heard of this thing being done before. We've heard of, scaled versions of this possibly, but nothing to this scale where someone could actually enter the car and move it backwards and forwards. It's, I think it's something special that we've done here.
We've managed to explore such a flat 2D material, and we yet managed to explore such complex design lines.
I think we're all quite impressed with it, to be honest, with the results. I mean, the wheels, the seats. I think it's a very, very cool job.
I think Lexus' statement, creating amazing, is what we have created. When people come past, they take a double take and think, hang on a second, is that a digital piece of work in the real world? It's something where you see where there's a crossover between animation and reality. And I think that surprise is what's so special about the project.